From robotics engineers to rocket scientists, our world is filled to the brim with STEM-related jobs. I recently visited a very special place that allows students of all backgrounds to explore their passion for STEM. Tucked away in a small building off of MLK in Fort Myers is a place where teens from all Lee County schools experiment with 3D printers, robots, drones, handmade cars, and more.
This place is a great place and it gives a lot of kids a lot of opportunities.
It's called the I Will Mentorship Foundation, founded 4 years ago by Fort Myers High School teacher Dr. Jesse Bryson.
It's going to turn 20 times and stop.
What we're doing is transforming the learning environment and inspiring and exciting youth about education and their future.
This is the first one that...
Deona Wallace is a student at Fort Myers High and a member of the foundation. Here, she's responsible for 3D printing prosthetic arms for children in need.
You make your muscles move, it clamps down. Once you do this, if you promise a kid a hand and you tell them you're going to have it to them in a week, you have to have it to them.
By allowing them to explore their passions, the I Will Foundation gives students an irreplaceable gift.
As one person once told me, it's like watching a child ride a bicycle for the first time, how they wobble, and then once they get on that bike and master those skills, how they're able to take off and to explore different destinations because of a skill that they've learned.
As he continues to send students off on the paths they choose, Dr. Bryson plans on sticking around.
What do you think this should go at?
To inspire more students.
To see them finally light up to say, I got it. You see them have a victory. You see the confidence rise in them. You see the I can do, or as we would say, the I will in them.
This is Emory, Cavin, LeeSchools TV.